Oh yeah, it came out good. I did it myself. I still haven't put up the flowers and stuff, but I did my own little patio. My little curtains up. Husband helped me, but I did it, and this keep that sun off of me when I'm out here on a patio, and I don't want to have that sun on me. That's what I do. And I made my husband put the ceiling fan up, and that's what we do. Under this one, but it came out nice, all the way down, all the way down. Still have some more greenery I have to put up, but it came out nice. Sit down on your patio at night and drink your wine and close your curtains up and let it do what it do. They like John. Let it do what it do. Let it do what it do, baby. See, now the mosquitoes can't come in because the mosquitoes sometimes be bad up in Memphis. Mosquitoes will tear you up. But that's what I'm doing. So y'all have a great night. Miss Teal, Business Boss Housewives. Subscribe. Brenda Teal 911. Real life. Ain't no editing. It's real life, baby. Have a good night.